It's coming. It's the nothing from the never-ending story. It's coming right at us. Whoa, I saw another flash. Another flash has been reported. People are finding shelter, and they're finding it quick. Wow, you see how that over there is turning to the right? That is a straight-up funnel cloud forming.
But it was coming straight at us. It just shifted.
Oh, wow. The wind just got colder.
And I feel I'm getting back
I just got some dirt in my eye.
Me too.
There's reports of dirty eyeballs in the area.
Over the lake. What?
There's something over the house. Forget. Oh, we got a funnel forming right there. We've got big funnels.
Right here.
Major funnel action happening. It looks like Armageddon. It looks like the apocalypse. Ooh, it's my move on Words Free.
Words free.